Hello. Now, what is the structural organization of cell? Or what is cell made up of? Mainly, cell is made up of mainly three things. See, cell is made up of mainly nucleus, cytoplasm, and plasma membrane. We discussed in detail these three: plasma membrane first, then nucleus, then cytoplasm. Okay, our order is like this: first, second, and third. See, plasma membrane is what? You know that cell, generally cell contains outer layer. It is not necessary that every cell is completely round. You know that amoeba change its shapes continuously, but for our understanding we draw this like round. So this layer is known as plasma membrane. This plasma membrane contains jelly-like fluid. This jelly-like fluid is known as cytoplasm, and at the center, maybe at the center, not necessary that exactly it is found at center, is called nucleus. So mainly cell contain these three: outer layer, which is known as membrane, plasma membrane because cytoplasm is there, it covered or enveloped the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid or a jelly-like substance in which different organelles are floating, okay, and they perform different functions that we will see later. And then at the center, nucleus means head of the department of the cell, which controls the function of cell, which controls the all activity of the cell which cell perform. Now mainly we start with plasma membrane. We said plasma membrane is what? It is the outer covering of cell. You said it is envelope. Okay, it is called semi-permeable membrane or selectively permeable membrane. What do you mean by this selectively permeable membrane? Selectively means only selected things. Permeable means permission give. So it permits, it means what? It permits entry and exit to carbon dioxide or oxygen or nutrients into the or out to the cell, into or out, means it give permission. This permeable membrane means it contains pores on it. We can write containing pores on it, so that with the help of the fluid, oxygen enters into it, carbon dioxide comes out from it, nutrients containing carbohydrates, protein, minerals, vitamins, water, etc. can enter or exit, and So we said it permits the entry and exit of any this nutrients or selective gases, selective materials, and that's why it is known as selectively permeable membrane. Is it okay? So we said that this will happen because of two things. The first process is known as diffusion. You have learnt about it. Means entry or exit of carbon dioxide or oxygen or any other material, it is due to diffusion. What do you mean by diffusion? Diffusion means movement of substance. Movement of substance from high concentration to low concentration. High concentration to low concentration. That is called diffusion. Movement of any substance from high, suppose the oxygen level is very low inside the cell, because cell perform function, cell perform activity. Okay, because of this activity oxygen is used up, and so we say that in the cell oxygen level is low, whereas outside in the blood capillary oxygen level is high because we continuously respire. And so from high concentration, that is outside in the blood capillary, to the low concentration, that is in the cell, where oxygen enters through this permeable membrane, means having some pores. This is known as diffusion, from high level to low level. Okay. Another is osmosis. Osmosis is also just like that, but here the change is what? Movement of water, not the substance. Movement of water from high concentration to low concentration through a selectively permeable membrane. So, movement of water from high concentration to low concentration. Through a selectively permeable membrane. That is called osmosis. Means osmosis, the word the same. This is used only for water. The content is same, high concentration to low concentration. Okay, this is diffusion is used for substance, minerals in plants, and osmosis is only for water. Okay, so two definition main, and the topic about plasma membrane. If there is a question about write a short note on plasma membrane, you have to write all these things: diffusion, osmosis, etc. Okay, note down this. That's it.